I'm Rohan Panuz. I am in the mechanical sub-team, and I'm on the design team. I was in the design team, and I was also an RE, responsible engineer. And this is my second year on the team. So some changes that we made from last year to this year was, first of all, we were using a completely different drivetrain. Last year we used Swerve. That didn't go too well, so we're changing it up and trying Mechanum to see if that would make a difference. We're also making our chassis 2 inches bigger, 29 by 29 instead of 27 by 27, I believe it was last year. And we're also adding like an instant chassis, and then there's like an outer frame, and that instant chassis helps mount, and the outer frame is like attaching bumpers and other things. And I think it'll be much easier to mount and do stuff on that. So I think it's much more improved than last year.
My name is Ria, and I'm on the electrical sub-team.
What have you been working on for chassis?
For chassis, I've been working on mounting components and wiring. Currently, we're mounting most of the components on the bottom of the chassis, which is not something we've done before. And right now, we're working on mounting the pigeon on the top. And we're having new members mostly work on that. And then soon, we're going to be studying mounting the stuff for the payload, and then continue wiring all the components together.
My name is Shrikar, and I am on the programming sub-team and leading various projects in the sub-team. So I was recently working on the motor testing board, and specifically the candle on the motor testing board. So regarding April tags, we need to align to different positions on the field, and we often see that the light is too dark to actually align properly. So we need a light source to illuminate the ripple tag to properly align to it. So we thought of using the candle as some sort of spotlight. So we wired it to the motor testing board, and I wrote code to basically turn on the candle on to different colors. And I set it to white light with maximum brightness, and it illuminates a big enough area to detect the April tag. So basically that's what the candle can do. Other things the motor testing board can do. Right now we're using it to test the outreach bot. The 2 motors on the outreach bot, we can connect to sparks on the motor board. It's just generally used for testing different components.
I'm most excited for going to competitions and then seeing the robot do climb, because it's a deep cage and we haven't tried that before.
So this season I'm mainly looking at seeing this robot completed. We're looking at really ambitious subsystems, such as a elevator subsystem and different intake systems and outtake systems. And looking at all of the parts come together, I think that will be the most rewarding part of this thing, just seeing a robot come together with all of the things we're working on.